What if I told you that in I could build a complete full stack application from a single sentence? Not just write a function, not just suggest a code snippet, but build the entire thing, front end, back end, and all. Today, I'm putting one of the newest, most powerful AI agents to the test. This is Kimi K2, a new open source model that's outperforming GPT-4, and we're going to use it to build a real world application from scratch right now. All right, no tricks here. We're starting from a completely empty directory. I'm setting up a standard project structure, a parent folder called transcript app with a front end and a back end inside. For the front end, we'll use Vite with React and TypeScript. And for the backend, a simple Node.js and Express server will need Express, Multer for file uploads, cores, and of course the OpenAI package for its transcription API. Okay, the stage is set. Now for the magic. We're using a tool called OpenCode, which allows us to run these powerful AI models directly in our terminal. And I'm giving it a simple, clear prompt. I have a React plus Vite plus TypeScript project. Please provide the full code for source/app.tsx. This component should include a drag and drop area for MP3 files, a button to trigger transcription, and display the transcribed text from a backend API call. The API endpoint will be /API/transcribe, handle loading states and errors. Ensure the design is simple and clean. And we're off. I've selected the Kimi K2 model and it immediately starts creating a plan. It understands it needs to handle file state, loading state, and the transcription text itself. Look at this. It's writing the complete app.tsx component. It's adding the drag and drop logic, the API call function with fetch, and handling all the different states. This isn't just code generation, this is genuine problem solving. And done. Just like that, we have a fully functional front end. Let's fire it up and see what it built. The UI is clean and intuitive. I'll just drag and drop an audio file, hit transcribe, and there it is. A perfect transcription delivered from our backend, all generated by the AI agent from that one prompt. And the design is fantastic. It's clean, modern, and could easily be a production ready app. The AI can generate different styles from simple and functional to more complex designs with glassmorphism and animated gradients. So, what is this Kimi K2 model that just did all this? Launched by Moonshot AI, Kimi K2 is a massive 1 trillion parameter mixture of experts model. But unlike models built just for chatting, Kimi is designed for action. It's an agentic model, meaning it doesn't just answer, it acts. And the benchmarks are staggering. On the toughest coding tests, it's consistently outperforming models like GPT-4.1 and even goes toe-to-toe with Anthropic's best, Claude Force on it. The difference? Kimi K2 is open source and dramatically cheaper to run. So how are we accessing it? I'm using OpenRouter, which acts as a universal gateway to hundreds of AI models. It allows tools like OpenCode to switch between models like Kimi, Claude, or Grok on the fly, finding the best one for the job. This is more than just a cool demo. This is the future of software development happening right now. We've moved from AI as a simple autocomplete to AI as a junior developer on our team. The ability to take a high-level requirement, create a plan, and execute it by writing, debugging, and structuring code is a revolutionary leap. And with open source models like Kimi K2 pushing the boundaries on performance while driving down costs, this power is becoming accessible to everyone. The game has officially changed. The question is no longer if AI will build our software, but how we can best work with it to build better, faster, and more creatively than ever before. Let's take a closer look at what makes Kimi K2 tick. On their website, they showcase some mind-blowing use cases. For example, you can give it a complex task like analyzing salary data, and Kimi doesn't just give you an answer, it outlines its entire multi-step plan, writes and executes Python code for statistical analysis, and then generates a full, beautifully designed report with charts and visualizations. Or how about this one? Building an interactive genealogy website for the Stanford NLP lab. This involves deep information collection across the web, data mining, statistical analysis, and then designing and building a visually stunning interactive site. But this is the one that really blows my mind. The prompt is simple. Write a web version of 3D Minecraft. And the result? A fully playable 3D Minecraft world running right in the browser generated by the AI. This isn't a trick. The terminal view shows Kimi K2's entire thought process. It plans the core features, manages the rendering runs and debugs test cases, captures logs on failure, and iteratively improves the code until all the tests succeed. It even refactors the code base and runs performance benchmarks to ensure the final result is robust. This isn't just generating code, it's a complete automated development cycle. I'm blown away by this. What do you think? What's the first thing you would build with an AI agent like this? Let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more hands-on AI development and stay on the cutting edge of this technology, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.